Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to allow people you follow to tag you in photos on X. By enabling this feature, you can enhance your photo sharing experience and stay connected with your friends and followers. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Look for the account icon, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, locate and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can adjust various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety. This option allows you to manage your privacy preferences and safety settings. Step 6. Within the Privacy and Safety menu, look for Account Information and tap on it. This section contains settings related to your account. Step 7. In the Account Information section, find and tap on Audience and Tagging. This option allows you to control your audience and tagging settings. Step 8. From the Audience and Tagging menu, locate Photo Tagging and tap on it. Step 9. Finally, select Only People You Follow can tag you. By choosing this option, you allow only the people you follow to tag you in photos. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled the option for people you follow to tag you in photos on X, enhancing your photo sharing experience within your trusted network. Thank you for watching, and may your photo sharing journey on X be filled with memorable moments and connections.